Hello friends, how are you? Today I'm out and with Kai, my family, and today we are here at Ostön it calls. This is a really beautiful spot, place to be, and if you can see, look at this, how it comes. I love, this is my favorite spot at the sea. And here you have the sea in all its glory. But yes, it's sunny and nice weather, but it's a little bit windy, as you can see. So it's a little bit cold, but it's okay. And today we are here and we have strawberries and stuff with us, and we shall sit here on the cliffs and just enjoy the beautiful and lovely sea. So my friends, today I have holidays. Yeah, my holidays now, 2 weeks more, and it's must enjoy every hour of the day when you are free. And today we shall be here at the sea and do some have a lovely day. And I hope you have a lovely day you too out there, and I see you later, alright? Bye bye!